Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use green screen on Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the follow button, leave a like and drop a comment. So now let's begin. So all you need to do is to simply start a new project where you can add in your green screen. So let's suppose that you want to add the green screen to a video. So you will be needing just to go to your footage and you will need just to click on this plus sign. By clicking on it, you will find this menu. And from here, you will add your videos that you want to add the green screen to it or to start recording on top of it. So I'm just going to choose this project that I already been working on and then you would need just to click on the footage that you want to use the green screen on. And as you can see at the bottom on the menu, we will find that there is an option of a green screen. So if we find all these tabs or menu, you will find audio, text, etc. And here we will find a green screen. So make sure that you are selecting the video first and that there is this yellow overlay and then we click on green screen. Now you will be able to start recording on top of this video or you can simply choose from your gallery. So I'm just going to click like that and simply we need to start recording and after you finish your recording you will be able to start moving your footage there and when you finish your recording you will have something similar to that. So let's just go for a cat. So we just simulate the green screen. So you will have it like that. You will have your video talking that will be showing here, and then you can edit it and you can resize it, edit, and have some editing that you can do on it. And basically, you just export, and now you have the video. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.